One thing, Splinter Cell. Yeah. So excited. Wait, what? Toby?
It's
what?
funny you should mention that.
Yeah? Toby, you just gonna bust in every time, buddy?
Is that cool?
Yeah, well,
I've
no,
been
but go
post-control
nuts.
issues.
Okay.
This is all scripted. I'm backstage right now with the Splinter Cell director of Blacklist, Max Vallon. How you doing?
I'm doing amazing.
Good to hear.
We just showed the game at the Microsoft press briefing this morning. The reaction was insane. I couldn't stop smiling. I was on stage. I'm super proud of the team in Toronto. What we've done, it's great.
I'm a big fan of the co-op from Conviction. Is that going to come back in this?
Yes. I mean, Splinter Cell Blacklist is the biggest Splinter Cell we've ever done. So, this morning we showed single player, right? Single player is back. Now we're doing the co-op that you love from Conviction. That's back. It's bigger than before. And we've also announced this morning that we're doing the Spy vs. Mercs that the fans really want.
And do you have a surprise for us here we can show?
Yeah. I actually brought our release trailer.
You did?
Yeah, and it's called Welcome to Fourth Echelon.
Let's do it.
In Washington, more rumors of the Blacklist.
Gentlemen, the Blacklist is real. Rogue intel agencies like Third Echelon are the problem here, not the solution. I want every single operation related to them grounded and gutted now. I'm shutting Third Echelon down, effective immediately.
That's a signal. We're on.
Sam, we're ready. Sam, we've got a problem. I think they're moving up.
انت مشروع سمعت لعبه اقول لك خلص تعالك لفرصه
You in one piece?
Yeah, then I need options.
The closest exit point is the roof of the south wing.
There is no program, no secret spies, no hidden agendas. Any questions?
Who the hell are you? CIA? Delta?
Welcome to Fourth Echelon.